This video is to help students with the partner dialogues. We do have those coming up this week. I'm going to show you how to find your partner and let you know everything that you should be doing for the partner dialogues. Okay, so the first thing that you guys will need to do is go to groups. And here there should be, let's see, there's 26 groups. You should have another group member. Some groups, one group is a group of 3, everyone else is a group of 2. So you will click on the information. One should be your name and the other one is a name of another student. So then what you'll do from there is you will go to the class list and you will look up the email of your partner. And that way you can set up a day and time with them that works best for the both of you to complete the partner dialogues. So that's how you find who your partner is. If you can't find their name on the class list, please let me know and I will send you their email. So let's go ahead and go to the syllabus so that we can look over what's expected in the partner dialogues. Okay. Where are they? Here we go. Sorry about that. So here we are, oral partner dialogues via VHL 20%. So you'll meet virtually with a classmate every week. There are about 10 assignments throughout the year. So you guys have to come up with the day and time that works the best for you. And you're going to complete the partner dialogues that we find the prompts on VHL. Okay, so there's going to be 2 dialogues per week. One is graded for completion. The other one is graded according to the rubric. And I'll show you guys where the rubric is. We are in Spanish 202, so it'll be about 4 minutes in length. You are allowed to prepare the dialogues, but you should not read anything. There should be no script, okay? If it does sound like you are reading, then 50% of the grade is automatically taken off. Okay, if you don't meet the criteria above, such as you don't meet the 4 minutes in length, okay, so this should be 4 minutes for each of them, or you don't complete both oral dialogues, you will be given half credit, okay? They're due every Sunday by 11:59 p.m. Tucson time. If you do have any partners, or if you do have any problems with your partner, such as you guys can't meet or they won't respond to you, then let me know by Wednesday, which would be today. Typically in the future, this week you guys can send me emails all week, but typically in the future, let me know by Wednesday. That way I can try to either assign you a different partner or try to figure out a solution. Okay, so let's go up here to content. Here, grading rubrics. And here you will see the rubric for the partner dialogue. And you guys can go through each of the different categories to see what I'm looking for when I grade your rubrics. Okay, so that's how you find your partner. That's the instructions for the oral dialogues. Now I'm going to show you guys how to find the prompts. So we'll go here to our online text. Okay, you can go to the calendar, the assignment calendar. And from here, we'll see what the homework is for this week. And we see with this icon, it even says partner chat, this one down here, remember there's 2 per week, that these are the partner dialogues for the week. That's what you should be completing. Okay, so you can always look on the calendar to see what exactly they are, and then you'll go to content activities. We are in lesson 6, lección 6. And it also tells you where to find it. If you looked on there, it said estructuras, and under the estructuras tab, we are not completing it for last week, we're doing for this week, so we'll move on to the past subjunctive. And it even shows here the due date, so it tells us for the 9th of September, here is the communication activity, which is the partner dialogue, and there's the icon that shows it. So we have this, ¿qué sucedió? You will have to allow it to view your microphone, to use your microphone, and you'll also need to use your webcam. Okay, so it gives you the instructions. Whenever you have, whenever your partner is online, then you'll choose that partner name and you guys will record directly into VHL here the partner dialogue following these instructions for 4 minutes. Remember, you have to do that with both. Okay, so that's how you do it if you just have one partner. Okay, so if there's 2 people total in the group, that's how you do it directly in VHL. If you have 3 people in the group or you have 2 partners, you're going to use Zoom. So here is Zoom. We'll go in, click the link. Okay, so I'm going to pretend like I'm hosting the meeting because I'm the person who is going to start it for my group. So you'll host. We'll let it load. So I haven't logged in before on this computer, so I have to do what is required in order to be able to stay logged in. Okay, so remember, you should always use your webcam and you should always use your microphone, okay? When completing these partner dialogues, we should always be able to see your face and then hear you as well. Okay, so I have to wait for this to install. Sorry guys, this is the first time I use it on this computer. So it'll connect me through Zoom. And I'll join with audio. So here you can see I'm on the webcam. So what you'll do is you'll go down here to invite. You'll copy the URL and then you'll paste it into an email to the other participants, right? So your other partners. And then from there you guys will record the meeting, record to the cloud. So you'll have your meeting, you'll do it for the 4 minutes, or you'll do it for 8 minutes if you're doing both in one continuous recording. Then you'll stop the recording. Okay, yes. So then what will happen is you'll get an email with the recording information, and then you will send me that email so that I can grade your partner dialogue. Then after that, you will end meeting for all, and that's all you have to do. Okay, so make sure that you guys are able to do those things. If you do have any questions, please let me know so that I can help you guys out for the partner dialogues.